So we are representing the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology chapter from India. I'm Shriya here, and this is Swapnil. And so this is our setup. It's basically the journey of light, how light and discovery of how light works evolved. So we have the beginning with the emission theory of vision, where long time ago they had a concept that light emanates from our eyes and that's how we see, which was then proved wrong. Later we had vision theories, where we had different theories, and then people then moved on to mirrors and reflecting surfaces, then to refracting surfaces and how light works. And we have a setup over here which shows reflection, refraction. Then this is the Snell's law, on which refraction works, and then so on. The theory of light progresses from geometrical to wave, and I'll give it over to Swapnil.
So yeah, here we have the corpuscular theory, which was proposed by Newton. So it basically said that light was consisting of different small particles called corpuscles. So after that, this theory was proved wrong. Then we move on to the white light splitting into the 7 basic colors, that is Vibgyor. So that is depicted by the prism here. If we shine a white light over the prism, the light would scatter into the 7 different colors. Then we have the wave theory. Based on the wave theory, we have a setup that shows the diffraction. So we'll basically demonstrate it to you. So here we have a diffraction grating. When we point on the laser to it, we see the different maximas. This is the central maxima, the first maxima. So this was explained by the wave theory. Then we move on to the Planck's theory, where we say that light is basically a particle. And then we move on to the photoelectric effect, and then we combine both the theories that light is basically a wave as well as a particle, which later on went to make the first 3D movie, the first television, then we had the first laser technology. So basically the entire setup goes on from reflection to refraction, which is the geometric part. Then we move on to the wave theory, and then finally you have the illumination. So thank you.